is. Now, 10.2, what was your homework? Let's start with the homework. Which one was the homework?
10, 11,
10,
12, and 13.
10th was okay. 10th you could have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody had any issues in the 10th one?
No, ma'am.
Perfect. Next one was 11th one.
Yeah.
11th one was a doubt with them because these are very, very important sums again.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in the 11th
11th one.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you, okay.
11th one.
Can you just look at the screen, please? Look up at the screen.
Ma'am, it's quite blurred for me right now, so I'm not able to
For
make out.
everyone.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's blurred for everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm able to see it clearly.
Not
Now
that
it's gone.
check. Wait, I'll put on the, wait a minute. Wait. Just check it out. I'm magnifying it. Check.
Ma'am, it's better.
Better. Chalo, take it down, then I will. Because I can't explain when it is having a magnified view, I can't explain. Because my,
Again, it's back to normal, ma'am. It's blur
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
see?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
It's fine.
Just fast take it down and I'll explain it to you. Because I can't write on this when it's magnified. Now it's given to us that prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So basically ABCD is a parallelogram given to us. The basic property of a parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. So Desh, what is the basic property of a rhombus?
Opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Rhombus.
No, all sides are equal.
All sides are equal. So from opposite two pairs of opposite sides equal and parallel, I have to prove that all the sides are equal now. Fine, that is what we have to do. So just look up. I'll just stop this. I'll start writing so that you understand. Sia, could you do the sums?
You can prove it by telling that diagonals bisect at 90 degrees also. No?
Rhombus, yes. Yes, but there, how will you do it? How will you do it in these type of sums? That rhombus.
Ma'am,
but
draw
for a
diagonals
parallelogram,
from here. Ma'am, draw diagonals from A to C and D to B, then like show that at the point of the tangent by alternate interior angles, you can show all make of 90. So,
Oh, that's very good. Perfect. That can be done. That can be easily done. But as what I have in mind, let me just show this to you all. Now, since it's a parallelogram, since ABCD is a parallelogram, is a parallelogram, so we can say that opposite sides are equal. I'll take the equality and move. So AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Now take up the theorem on tangents. So if we see, we can say that DS is equal to DR. Why, Sia? Why DS is equal to DR?
Ma'am, the tangents drawn from the external point.
Perfect. Are equal. Fine. Same way we can say CR is equal to CQ. Same way we can say that what?
BQ is equal to,
BQ is equal to BP.
yeah.
Same way we can also say that AP
AS
equal to AS. So if you take these all points, all these four things in consideration and you add them up. Once you add them up, what should you get? What should you get, children?
CD plus AB is equal to AD plus BC.
CD plus
CD plus AB is equal to
AD plus BC.
fine. CD and AB are equal. No. We will not do this way. We will do CD plus the other part. CD plus AD might be. CD plus AD. Not AB.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, it's already you wrote about that.
Yes, that's why. So CD plus AD will be
And AB
equal
plus
to,
BC.
AB plus BC. Otherwise, it will not work only. Will be equal to AB plus BC. Okay. And already we have this given to us. Already this is there for us. This part is there. So we can easily say that. Therefore, we can say that. What can we say? We can
2
say
2AB is equal to 2BC.
2AB.
is equal to CD is equal to DA. And thus it's a rhombus. Okay. So whenever you have sums of these types, use the tangent, that theorem, that two tangents drawn from an external point are equal. I'll try out the other one that I think who said, Gautam said, right Gautam? About that, I'll check it. But Gautam, 1 minute. No problem here. I'll just check this out. Gautam, you said we will join here to here, right? And then here to here. Then what, Gautam?
Like yesterday, how we did in the other sum, ninth one, we proved that this angle plus, like that.
So we proved this is 90. Perfect. Arey wah, very good. This is 90. Perfect. Did you people understand which sum was that? It was ninth one.
Ninth one,
ma'am.
Yes. Awesome. It was ninth question actually, which we did. See this one. This one.
The 13th question also same thing.
13th one also the same thing.
I don't know. Yeah. Thing.
I'll see.
The diagonals of a
yes.
quadrilateral.
Perfect. So on the same line.
The center make 90 degrees.
Make 90 degrees. So 90, 90, 90, 90, you'll get a complete of 360 degrees. Aniket, come back. So this also can be used. So you can see that we have already proved in question number 9, 2 plus 4 is 90 degrees. Same thing can be done here also. Perfectly done.
Ma'am, I'm there.
No, you had switched it off.
Ma'am, no, bottle fell down. I went to pick it up.
Arey baapre. Bottle fell and went to the kitchen.
No, ma'am.
Acha, are you
Here
done,
only.
children? Chalo. Shall I proceed now? Now, 12th one, how many had a doubt in the 12th one?
Mommy.
Okay. The 12th one is a bit complicated, but you have to understand it. Any other easy way of doing the sum? Children, anybody could do the sum in any easy way. Daniel, could you do it? 12th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What was the method? Was it the same method that is what I'm showing on the screen?
No, ma'am, it's different.
Can you
I
tell?
have done from the same method.
Same method. Same method is what Aniket, I'll give you one slap now. Come back. Again, bottle fell and he's running the. Okay. Daniel, can you tell me what you did? And the others? See what has been done here. Please check it out. Shrishti, this sum you had a doubt in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 12th one, it says that a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So this is a circle wherein everything here is 4 centimeters each. Okay, these are all 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This is 4, and this is 4. Okay. Now, such that the segment BD and DC, so BD and DC you can see is 6 and 8 centimeter given to you. What else? Find the sides of AB and AC. You have to find sides AB and AC. First, understand the sum, all of you. Look up. It's based on this calculations all over, nothing else. Just look up here on the screen, children. What has been done here is we are finding out the area of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now this is, hey, stop writing, Sia. Stop writing. Try to understand first. Gautam, any other method of doing the sum?
No, ma'am, I did this normally itself.
Normal itself. Pranav, anything apart from this?
The same thing.
Same thing.
I tried another way, easy way, but then it didn't work out.
Same here. So basically, first step would be finding the area of triangle ABC. Now, as it is scalene triangle, or we don't know what it might be. So in that case, what formula will you be using? You'll be using the
Heron's formula.
Heron's formula. That is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So this is what is the value of S, if you can see. So we have considered this part as X, this part as X, and this as X also, because again, tangents from the same point are equal. This is given to us as 6. So automatically this is also 6. This is given to us as 8. This is also 8. So we get the value of S as this, input it into the area of the triangle and find out. The value is 4 root over 3 multiplied by 14x plus x square. Okay, now there's another way of finding the area of the same triangle only. How? Now, if you can see in the diagram, the whole triangle consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small triangles or 3 big triangles. Can I say that, Gauri? Gauri, can you give me the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me the name of those 3 big triangles which are there into?
Ma'am, triangle BCE,
Wait a minute. BCE. Perfect. Then
CBF,
CBF. Acha, you're going that way. Then, but there it is superimposing. There, this part is getting superimposed, Gauri. Triangle COB is getting superimposed.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, BOA and COA,
Perfect.
COB.
Perfect. So this whole big triangle, as you can see, can be divided into smaller triangles like, for example, it can be written, there are smaller triangles like triangle COB, then triangle BOA, then triangle AOC. Find out the areas of these small triangles. Okay, if you find out the area of these small triangles, that means addition of their areas will be nothing but should be equal to this one, big one. Okay, now what is the area of triangle COB? It is nothing but half of base into height. So if I am talking about COB, we have half into what is the base? 8 plus 6.
14.
14. And what is the height? 4. The radius is perpendicular to the tangents. Plus, what do we have? BOA means again half of 8 plus x into 4. Because 4 is the height. Again, plus half of AOD. Where is it? AOB, AO. No, not
Ma'am,
AOB.
AOC.
It will be AOC. AOC. So half into what? Into 4 into 6 plus x. Oh, okay. Add up all of this and equate it to this. That is the equation in formation. Shall I do it fast so that I can go to the next page and show you the equation? Done this part? Are Daniel doing? Daniel has already done. Pius, can I have you on the screen? Gautam, any issues?
No,
Fine.
ma'am.
Here it goes. If you can see the statement, if you're adding up, see, these are all the 3 areas. Okay, these are all the 3 areas of the small triangles. So you add them up and you come up to this. See, this is the equation you come up to. And here it goes. You keep on solving, you will get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, you know the sides of the triangle. Gautam, put your video on. Samarth, you could have done the sum.
No, ma'am.
Reva, were you on leave yesterday?
No, ma'am.
You were not there in the first period.
Yeah, ma'am. I had message on the group.
Okay, shall I finish it off? These are long sums, but in those long sums also smaller sums are there, which are very, very important. So always try to attack these sums.
Ma'am,
can
I go to the previous slide once?
Where will I go?
The previous slide.
Previous slide. Okay.
Just 1 minute.
Fine. Swandana, you have done the sum?
Yes,
Is there any other method you could have used?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, you can
Okay.
change.
Ma'am, I use Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. Who's that I?
Daniel.
Daniel, that's what I was asking you. How did you do it?
I took triangles ACE and BCE. in BCE triangle, and then I found CE square. Like, what is CE? You can find CE square value.
You took ACE. Okay.
ACE and BCE.
Ha. Perfect. But there, Daniel, if you take ACE and then BCE, okay, done. Instead of breaking them into 3 parts, you have broken it up into 2 right angle triangles. Wonderful. That can also be done. Good. Did others understand what Daniel said? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Yes, ma'am.
You can find C, then you can find the AC like that.
Again, it comes to the same thing. Perfect. Very well said. So instead of breaking it down into small 3 triangles, he has broken the whole big triangle into 2 small right angle triangles, found out by Pythagoras theorem the hypotenuses. Good. Very good. Very good. Ma'am.
6 more minutes left.
Chalo, I'll move ahead. Now here goes the 13th sum for all those who still had a doubt in. Your worksheet will be uploaded today, so work on that and prepare your AP chapter. At any moment, we can again start with that. CYP. Yes, get ready for a CYP also. Okay.
Ma'am, now?
Hey, not now. Sudesh.
Ma'am, you told I always will be in surprise, right? So
I will do it next week. That's what I said. I'll do it next week. Okay.
Ma'am, this chapter?
This chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Might be I'll give you one question only, which will be of 5 marks, which might ask you about 5 different answers. It's possible.
So it's only about numbers or like no proof and all.
You never know. Let me, of course, because we are doing it on chat box. Of course. Amoka is not there today.
Ma'am, he has a competition in WGS.
That is in the afternoon, na? 2 o'clock onwards.
Ma'am, I don't know. He was speaking to Shoni.
I know.
Ma'am, about it in the first period.
I know. Chalo, fine. Third one, this last one, anybody has a doubt in, can wind it up. I will start with the chapter on construction.
Ma'am?
Tell me.
Ma'am, this is Vaibhavi.
Yeah, Vaibhavi.
Ma'am, in the portion that's been cut off from the circle chapter, it's the proofs that have been cut off, right?
Which chapter you're talking about?
Circles one.
In the circles, proof is there. There are 2 proofs which are there in your syllabus. That is theorem number 10.1. That is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. This is there, the proof is there, and another, I'm doing those proofs. That's why I'm doing those proofs. I've told you to mark in your textbooks also. Another is theorem 10.2, proof is also there. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal.
Yes.
Fine, these 2 proofs they can ask you to prove it. They can
Thank
ask
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, what else homework should I give? I'm not able to understand. No homework, that is, I'm not able to digest now.
Ma'am, you start giving RS Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am, you can give.
But now what? Now what? I don't have anything in hand.
Now only you can give from RS.
Now only you can give, ma'am.
I don't have the RS Agarwal with me right now. It's hardly time only. Can anybody look into RS Agarwal from the chapter of circles? Does anybody have it in hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have in hand. So take up one exercise. I really don't know. You only tell me which exercise you want to do. Tell me. Fast.
Do exercise 1A.
Don't give from second exercise.
First exercise is what? It's all very simple one.
Yeah, simple.
So tell me which exercise. Pranav, fast. Vaibhavi, fast. Check it out.
There are 2 exercises, 8A and 8B.
8A and 8B.
Yeah.
8B, how many sums are there?
8B, 15 sums are there.
8B, 15 sums are there. Can I expect you people to do at least alternate ones? All the odd ones can be done by you all?
Ma'am, or you can give from multiple choice questions.
No, I will not. Okay. Multiple choice already I gave it to you people. So you are having what in hand? Arish Sharma? Sorry. What you are having? RS Agarwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Not.
Ma'am, the odd sums.
Okay. Okay. Homework goes. I'll put it there also. Homework goes all odd sums.
Of which exercise again?
8B.
8B.
Try it out, okay? Try it out. So it will be actually your question number 1, 3, 5, and so on. Okay with that? And along with this, you will do the worksheet for quadratic equations. Chalo. Thank you. I'll stop at the moment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye for
ma'am.
now. Thank you. Thank you, chalo. Bye.
Ma'am, there's still 2 minutes left.
Oh, chalo, I'll come back again. No, it's only 34. 1 minute left. What till what time? 35. Chalo,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
okay. That's okay. I'll stop.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.